if I said I never really cared how.
Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing fine and you all good. Let's do some braid outs with palm rods and enjoy the video, and make sure you try out this style. So I'm starting with my split comb, and as you can see, I'm dividing my hair into sections. I did 4 sections. Yeah, and guys, I told you that working in sections as a naturalist is the best thing you can ever do. It makes your work easier while you are hairstyling. Please pardon my voice. I have a cold. I washed my hair 2 days ago, and that's why it looks so clean. In those 2 days, I was under a hair bonnet. I didn't leave that door behind there, so it was freestyle. Yeah, so we're working in sections, and in each section you're going to detangle our hair before we do the braids, just to let our braids look, our curls at the end of the style looks so nice and pretty. So we start with the first section. You take your water and spray in that section, and this will help your hair look moisturized, and it will also help you detangle your hair. Make sure you have your wide toothed comb next to you, because that's the best comb for detangling your hair. If you don't have this comb, I think there's a detangling brush that people use. Next, I'm going to talk about combs, like the combs you're supposed to use. Yeah, so as you, wow, look at my hair, guys. Look at my hair. Looks so healthy, looks so black, looks so ooh. Ay. So the next thing I did, I took my hair treatment, CREME-Natural hair treatment with shea butter and coconut oil, and applied it in that section and massaged my scalp as I did so, as you can see. Then next, I took my leave-in conditioner from Ciao Botanicals, guys. Woo! This is just my best leave-in conditioner, honestly. This is just my best. It's just, ooh, it has this peppermint smell that you just want your hair to have that smell forever. Next, after that, we can't do one braid in one section, obviously. So like around 4 to 5, or yeah, 4 to 5 is a good number in each section. So as you can see, I'm dividing my hair, pinning the other hair, but oops, the pin was not near me. So after that, I also make sure that this first let me call it do I call it a part, do I call it what do I call it? Anyway, you also make sure it's well detangled. Then you divide that part into 3, because we are making a braid. A braid consists of 3 parts of hair, 1, 2, 3, and then you braid it. For those who don't know how to braid, comment there down. I can teach you. Yeah, free lessons. Don't worry, free lessons. And you will notice, well, sorry, I was saying, you will notice that I'm going to do a twist at the end of that braid, and then I twirl the end. I was drinking water. Oops. doing doing voiceovers is a very hard task, guys. YouTubers don't tell you these things, but I'm telling you, doing voiceovers is a hard task, especially when you're having a cold. Oh, you have to drink water like a million times. So you can see I've twisted that end, then I'm twirling that small end. Then after that I take my palm rod and then you do the necessary, and you'll notice I'll twist my palm rod again. We are trying to achieve this curls, guys. And remember, we are not using any gel, we are not using any styling gel or any curl cream. We just want to see if these products that we have are going to make us have some curls from this braid out. I'm going to repeat that again for you to see whatever I've done to the first part. You'll do that to the other sections. Like, do around 4 to 5 braids. That's okay. 4 to 5 braids, because you want big curls, or rather mini curls. Guys, and this time you better have some water beside you, because you're gonna get tired at some point, and you'll be like, hey, should I just give up and sleep and just say to hell to this time? Hey, no giving up. I told you have to have passion. So I'm done. I'm going to sleep. Bye. Hi guys, it's the next morning, and sleeping with those things was kind of hard task for me. I don't know how some people sleep with them. Hey, it was a very hard task. I just but I managed, guys. I managed. Yeah, so as you can see, removing the palm rods, and I'm doing them slowly. Don't be shocked. Don't be shocked. Anyway, we're just hoping for the best. Like, we're trusting the process, and we know that you're going to have a very good end style. I believe. My phone fell again. Struggles, people. I need a camera. I need a lot of things, but they're going to come slowly. I believe very soon we're coming there. So I'm undoing my braids, and I was doing them crossing my fingers. Not crossing my fingers, because I was using my fingers to remove the braids. So I don't know how my fingers. But anyway, I believe my look is gonna come out so well. Let's see the first braid. I can see some small curls, but not so bad. Yeah. Guys, I'm really working on my hair volume. If you have tips of how I can gain much volume, much hair volume, kindly DM me on my Instagram page at QueenAZ, or just comment on the comment section on how I can do that. Because in 3 years, I want to have that big round afro, guys. Big round afro. My afros are just my best natural hairstyle. Guys, I'm done after my phone falling again. Too bad. I'm doing the braids. And guys, we are going to add some spice in this style. We're not gonna leave it like shagala bagala how it looks like. So make sure you have your afro comb next to you. I hope I cook a bedroom, mama, you happy bali, whatever. Where you put them, you know? Where you put them. So you take your afro comb and lift your curls, lift them. And by lifting, I don't mean you comb your hair or you comb your curls. I mean lift your curls. Lift it. Don't comb your hair. You'll destroy the style. Or rather, instead of saying you'll destroy the you'll change the style to a complete afro. So, sorry. I decided to do a cut. Yeah. Inspiration. Shall I say Sheila Dinga? Yeah, Sheila Dinga. He does very good cuts. Yeah, so I decided to do a cut. I was not sure how it's gonna come out. So you'll notice I'll take my comb and then make a cut. Then make sure you have your bobby pins too. And then after that, you just use your bobby pins to hold the sides, the hair at the hair at the side of your. Oh my god, this is so hard to explain. Let me try again. Yes. After making that bobby pins to, make you guys, you can just see whatever I'm doing. Nimeshindwa explain here, but you just use your bobby pins to hold that hair at the side. Yeah, I got it right. Just drank water right now, and it just tastes. Explaining how to do these things at some point becomes so hard. So just excuse me at some point. It's not that easy. I try my best, guys. At least you should give me a medal on that. Wow, and the cut is coming out well, guys. Do you see that? Do you see that style? Woo! Who's taking me out today? Wow! Wow! I'm loving this video. I love the hair color. I love the hairstyle. I love everything. Do my makeup. I didn't finish my makeup. I'm not yet done with makeup. Wow. So next I'll do my edges. I'll lay my edges. Pardon my brother with his music there, the background in the next section.
Hello, baby, can you come over? My money is taking over. Me need you tonight, I'm in over. Come on, your back and me cover. If we're acting, I'm straight on over. Love me just rest your head on me shoulder. I'm the place you some Anita Baker. Make love till you wake up in labor. Girl, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you. Listen, baby. Listen, I need your tenderness. I can't resist you. Listen, baby.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope you've liked it. If you are going to try this look, please tag me in your Instagram photo of this hair style. Drop your comment, rate this look out of 10. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and share my videos to your friends for them to look at this style and try them out. As you can see, my hair has grown. Yes, my hair has grown since I started my hair journey. It has been a very nice journey. Not nice, but tough in a way. I hope you like this look and this cut. Thank you for watching. Don't mind my voice. I have a cold. Hope you're going to share. Have a lovely day and a blessed day too. Toodles.